Hey, you guys, it's Crystal with Usborne Books and More. And as promised, I told you that I was going to show you and tell you about a super amazing surprise that I've been waiting for the last week. So, last week, I think it was last week, there was a huge announcement from our home office that with all the changes that are going on with Usborne right now, they had acquired a new company, and I was like, what the heck? I was not expecting that. But they had acquired a new company and they were so excited to tell us. And so they finally got to a point where they could tell us. And so now I'm going to tell you. Okay, have you ever heard of Smart Lab Toys? Ever? Hmm? Well, that's the company we have acquired. I'd never heard of them before, but as I have looked into them more, it's so exciting. The it's oh my gosh, I just can't even, it just blows my mind. Okay, so since we had acquired that, Usborne sent all of us consultants a one of the products that we're going to be carrying, which is this squishy human body. Okay, I took it out of the box already. I just got it today. But anyway, it's so cool. Okay, first it comes with a book that talks about all of the different organs and all the things, well, all the organs and whatnot that are in the body. Let's see, even the bones and stuff. So that's really cool. So you don't want to throw that away. Okay, then it also comes with okay, here's something that's like some instructions here. Okay, some instructions here. I mean, it's so cool. Okay, and then there's also this little poster thing that you get to place all the different pieces on, so then you can put it back together properly and have fun exploring. Okay, so there's that. Let's get to the actual thing. Okay, so here's a little dish thing that it comes with, and some tweezers and these like scissor like grabber things. You're not supposed to cut the stuff, just so you know. Okay, and then oh my gosh, this is the body that it comes with. How cool is that? Okay, so there's tape on it that I'm gonna have to take off. Maybe I should have done that before, huh? Take this tape off so then you can actually, get inside the thing. And so you pull it apart, this plastic, well, the body part essentially. I hope I can do this without breaking it. This is new to me, guys. I've never, have you heard of Smart Lab Toys before? Because I hadn't. Oh wait, is it still taped somewhere? Okay, I'm sorry. I probably should have had this pulled apart already. I can get the legs apart. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's a clear rubber band holding it together. But then again, it's clear. How was I supposed to know, right? You can barely even see it. See? Yeah, that was holding it together. Okay, let's see if that's all that there was. Nope, there's more. They're hands. They're cute little tiny hands. Oh my gosh, this is just killing me. Okay? This is just so adorable. See if I can feel anything else. Yep, there is one down here by the ankle. This is really cool. Okay, that dish thing that I showed you is actually the platform for the body to stand up on. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to have to cut this one off because I can't grab it. Where's my knife? Isn't this comical watching me fight with this? Hey, at least you know that it's going to come together really nicely. Okay. I got it. Okay, so you take this part off, and then you've got the the body there. So the ribs just fell off, no biggie, right? Okay. I mean, like, it all comes apart, you guys. Like, here, I'm taking the skull, okay? And you can actually open it to see the brain. Seriously, how cool is that? Oh my gosh, and it's squishy. Oh. It's squishy. Oh my gosh, it's squishy. You see that? Of course, it's a squishy body. That's what it's called. How cool is that? Okay, this would be awesome for homeschoolers, learning anatomy. Well, anyone really, but I mean, if you're a homeschooler and you need something that's really cool, here's your anatomy lesson, okay? Oh gosh, you guys, this is a little bit gross, Wow. Okay, look at this. Okay, I'm taking, wait, let me unroll it because that's better. Oh gosh. Okay, so when you take the plastic off, okay, you put it up here inside your body, okay? And then you can literally take them apart, okay? Pull them off. Oh my gosh, and they stick together. And then, oh my gosh. Okay? And then look, you can pull out the intestines. Like, they literally are going to come off, and then it'll go back on. How kind of gross is that, right? Okay. Then you've got your liver. This looks like liver to me. Oh gosh, it is so squishy and a little bit gross. Okay, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh gosh, is that your stomach? I think that it's actually your stomach. Okay, don't laugh at me. But anyway, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. And then your bladder, your kidneys. And I mean, you can totally take this out. And look, it's your heart. How cool is that? Okay, I mean, you literally take the whole thing apart, okay? I hope I can put this back together correctly because I didn't use the thing, the poster. Okay, I think that stays attached like that. So your kidneys and your bladder, okay, and your esophagus. I think that, yep, probably. Oh gosh. That's really big. I'm like, I don't know. You guys are just going to seriously laugh at me. But, I mean, those are really big. I don't even know what those are. It's just the rib. Oh, it's the lungs. Isn't that interesting? So really, that's your lungs. So, I mean, that's really ginormous, right? Actually, I wonder if it goes back like, no. Anyway, that is something that we have acquired. How cool is that? Is this something that you're going to want in your house? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you're also really curious about what other products we're going to carry. So it's not going to be a couple of months, it's going to be a couple of months before we have access to purchase these. But this was your sneak peek into this new acquisition, and I'm so excited about these toys. I mean, it's so great, educationally based, hands-on, so much fun. So drop in the comments below if you're excited to get one of these squishy bodies and anything else that we have that's coming up.